What's up everybody, my name is Sheppy and today we're going to be installing a ground kit for an Infiniti G37S, and got my friend C-Mac here. C-Mac, say hey.
Hello.
We are going to show y'all how to do this, and we're going to jump right in by opening up the hood and going from there. So let's do it. So first thing is you're going to want to remover, that's a word, look it up. We're gonna remove this engine cover. Basically, you're gonna remove that. You're gonna also remove the battery cover, and we're also going to be disconnecting the negative side of the battery, so we don't shock ourselves or anything like that. So it's gonna be a 10 mil socket on a ratchet. It's gonna do the trick. Super simple. If I wasn't lazy, go get an extension. It might make your life a little easier, but you know.
Who wants an easy life?
Not me. Okay, so before you disconnect the negative side of your battery, is actually, looked at the instructions. They're a little confusing, but it is possible to make out what it is that you're trying to do. So essentially what we're doing, we're going from the negative battery, coming around to, there's a screw right here that's already got a ground, and so we're gonna have a piece go on like that. Then this is gonna be much prettier. It'll go under, and it will connect to this screw right here. And then there's one final place for it to go. You're gonna have your last screw, and it's gonna go right in. Ew, it's so hot. It's right there. Yeah, get in there. Yeah, right there. So, that's gonna be the first part we're gonna work on.
It done fell.
I am the Bolt Whisperer.
Mr. Bolt, are you down there?
Got it.
You say.
So, ultimately what I'm trying to do, there's like a grommet.
Balls from grommet?
You just gotta push, you know? Just gotta really.
Can you do a Steve Irwin when you?
Right, you gotta push it in right there. It's like a mixture between terrible acting, Cockney, and something else.
Oh, crikey, mate. He done pushed it in the grommet.
Perfect. And then we'll end up putting zip ties on it, keep it in place.
Kind of like its brethren right there.
Yeah.
Massive zoom in on the zip tie.
Yeah.
Which bunch of car brothers? Yeah.
Down.
He done broke it in my nose.
Just gonna come around. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Right, okay.
And that's gonna go. That's gonna go right there.
Oh, just gotta get him. Gotta yank it out, brother.
Right, it's looking so fire. This is lit, bro. Like the littest.
I broke your car.
Well, now I gotta do a how to fix a thing that.
How to fix the hydraulics on it. Oh, dang it. It played with my emotions.
Every person I've ever known.
Shippy, who hurt you?
The world. Bro.
How are you gonna get that? How?
Just by being really awesome.
You're not wrong. You're not wrong.
So far, every single one of these bolts has been 10 mil. And this is no exception. Oh yeah. Just a good break.
I love hearing that sound.
I would highly recommend doing this when the engine is cool. Cool to the touch, because right now it's like that. If I was taking a shower, it would be the perfect temperature for my body. But like, just for my hands to be touching willy-nilly, not so much.
Oh my gosh.
This is that moment where like, we see what men are made out of. I'm either gonna drop... I dropped the bolt.
This is the moment we see what men are made of. Instantly drops bolt.
No! So,
Shippy, that means you're a man because you don't have dainty little fingers.
So fun fact, if you do own an Infiniti, you already know how sucky this is. The only way to get to that bolt at the bottom is to take the entire under tray on, or take the under tray off. So I'm not going to show y'all that because it literally is going to take me 10 minutes just to get all the stupid bolts off. So we'll be back in a second whenever I get that.
That's a fat rib.
All right, got the stupid bolt back. Made the mistake and went ahead and tidied everything up down there. So hopefully I don't drop it again. Hopefully, it's a key word. So we're just going to do a little bit of this action. I'm scared. Once when I can get it to bite, which I think I just did.
Heyo.
Go me.
Put that on a t-shirt.
Just go me with a face. Okay, got that one. I feel confident in that. This is nice and secure. That's nice and secure. Now, we move on to the next one, which is significantly easier because it's that bolt.
Which we love in this great country that we call America. We love it when it's easy.
So we take that one off. We take this guy. He goes in there. I'm actually going to pull this little boot back a little bit. Push it on. Perfect. We're good. And
This part goes in that part.
Oh, my flash is on, but there's no flash. You might have to stop the video, turn it on. Well, I think you should be able to. Yeah, I did. Like, before I started the video, I turned it on.
Alright, so that's on. So what ends up happening now is we take this guy and he's gonna go over to this bolt, which is kind of hard to see right now, but it's this bolt right here. And I think, so that's gonna end up going there. I personally put all my wires on top so I could kind of keep track and remember how it was that I wanted it ran.
10 mil.
10 mil wrench. How you looking?
Hi, Doken. Hi, my name is Doken. Hi, Doken.
You went there, man.
I did.
You did that. All by yourself.
Exposed.
Dang. They sure heck. Oh, wait a minute.
Wow.
So, fun fact. They will put the appropriate size. So if you're confused which one goes which way, there you go. Now you know.
Shit, you just put the wrong one in, Bubba.
I just put it in the wrong hole. Well. Alright guys, so I've got everything wrapped up. I've got the negative battery reconnected. I've got it going from negative terminal, comes down. You've got the first bolt, and it loops under, comes around, and then you got the second bolt, which down here, and then it loops around and it comes down to this bolt back here. After that, you're going to take the one singular long one, and it goes from here all the way to here, and then you're going to take the one that has two bands on it, and you're going to come from here, loop under and up. Oh, it's like right there, and then it loops down and around, and it comes to here. And that's pretty much it. Alright, so obviously it's the next day. I didn't have time to finish and the camera died, so overall it's a really easy install. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and feel free to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And really, let me know what mod you want me to do next, and I'll get to it as soon as I can. Thank y'all so much. Later.